In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Canva. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring a seamless merge that enhances your digital marketing creativity. Whether you're looking to streamline your email marketing or elevate your designs with personalized touches, integrating these two tools can be a game changer. So, let's dive into it. First, you'll want to log into your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, just head over to Canva's website and sign up. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of your Canva dashboard where you'll see the Integrations option under the More section. This feature allows you to connect various apps and services, providing you with extended functionality directly from Canva. Next, find Mailchimp among the list of available apps. Since Mailchimp is a popular tool, it's usually featured prominently. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to connect your Mailchimp account to Canva. If you don't have a Mailchimp account, you'll need to create one on their website. Don't worry, the process is quite intuitive, and Mailchimp offers several types of accounts from free to paid options. Once you've clicked the Connect button, a new window will pop up asking for permission to access your Mailchimp account. Rest assured, this step is completely secure and necessary for the integration process. Provide the necessary access by logging into your Mailchimp account within this window and authorize Canva to utilize it. With the integration complete, it's time to explore how this powerful combination works for you. Go back to your Canva dashboard and open or create a design that you'd like to use for your email campaign. Canva offers a variety of templates that you could use. Whether it's a promotional banner, a content update, or a seasonal greeting, select a template that aligns with your marketing needs. After perfecting your design, you'll want to send it directly to your Mailchimp account. Look for the Share button, usually located at the top of the page, and click it. From there, select Mailchimp from the list of sharing options. It's a straightforward choice that allows your design to be sent as part of the email body or as an attachment. You will be prompted to select the Mailchimp list to which you'd like to send your design. This is crucial because sending your design out through Mailchimp means it will be distributed according to your predefined lists and campaigns. Select your list carefully to ensure it reaches your intended audience. And there you have it. Your Canva design is now part of an email campaign, beautifully crafted and ready to wow your recipients. As you continue creating and sending designs, you'll likely find new, creative ways to engage your audience using this integration. Feel free to explore more options within both platforms to enhance your marketing strategies even further. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating!